This short tutorial will cover how to use Zulip for PSYC2071 Judgment and Decision Making and PSYC3052 Advanced Social Psychology. User profiles. We would like you to make your profile name using this format. Your given name first, so the name you registered with the university, followed by your preferred English nickname, then your surname. Your surname should be in capital letters, and at the end, please indicate which session you belong to in brackets, such as 2071, 3052A, or 3052B. This is to avoid possible confusion with names. In Asia, surnames are usually written first, followed by the given names last, which is usually composed of 2 words. In academia, given names are usually written first, followed by surnames. For example, if my given name is Kristy, my preferred nickname is Kristy, and my surname is Chow, and I am studying PSYC3052A, then it would be something like this. To quickly demonstrate on Zulip, you can do this by simply clicking on the top right corner, select View Your Profile, click Edit Profile by clicking on this icon, and enter your name in the specified format. So as I just said, my given name is Kristy, and my last name is Chow, which should be capitalized. And if my section is 3052A, then I'll put that in brackets. Also, please make sure to upload an appropriate profile picture so that we can recognize you. To save your settings, just simply press anywhere within Zulip and a green saving button or saved will show up. Note that name and profile photo changing can only be done on the web or desktop version. On to the general parts of using Zulip. We would like you to reply to messages using quote and reply. This makes it easier to keep track of whichever message or topic you're focusing on, and it'll make the channel or topic look neater. To do this on the desktop or web version, you have to hover over a message, and these 3 icons would appear near the top right of the message. What you want to do is then select the vertical ellipses and click on the first option. For the mobile version, you'll have to long press the relevant message to get these options. So we have quote and reply here to reply to the original message. Note that for both the mobile version and the desktop version, the edit message option is possible, but you can only do this within 10 minutes of sending your message. So for example, if I edit this message, on the mobile version, indicate that it's been edited and how long ago it was edited. But on the desktop version, it will simply just say that your message was edited. We would also like you to use the Enter button to separate lines or sentences. This will make it easier to read, particularly when your message is lengthy. To send your message, press Command and Enter. This prevents you from accidentally sending an unfinished message. This can actually be swapped around or toggled, where Command plus Enter is used to separate lines or sentences, and Enter to send messages. But note that this swap can only be done on the desktop version. We recommend you to keep the default option, as it stops you from sending unfinished messages from simply pressing Enter. So for example, this is something that I copied off the syllabus. Let's say if you accidentally press enter and you're using the default option, then your message won't be accidentally sent. Instead, you have to be more mindful when you send by pressing command plus return to actually send your message. So we would prefer you to actually use the default setting. If you really want to change your setting, simply go to the ellipses here, the send options, and switch or select your preference. Next, to bring something to someone's attention on Zulip, you should tag them by inputting the @ sign followed by their Zulip username. For example, if there's something you want to bring to my attention or want my inputs in the questions about the course topic, then just type @ and type my name, Kristy, and click on my name to make sure that I've been selected, and then type your corresponding message and press command and enter to send, or just simply press this purple button. Finally, please do not message the instructor, Feely, or the TAs privately, as everything should be public, as other students may have similar questions as you. However, if you have any questions that aren't related to the course or the projects, then contact Feely directly and CC the tutor, Kristy, which is me. This can be done either through email or Zulip. To do this on Zulip, you can do this by searching Feely in the search bar and selecting the first option, which says direct messages with Feely. Then add another user here, add me, and begin typing the content of your message. Alternatively, you could click on any channel, select compose a message, change this channel to direct message, and then again, add Feely and me, and then send your message. For the mobile version, press the direct messaging tab on the bottom, which is this button with the 2 people. Then select new group DM and add Feely and add me, which unfortunately can't be done as I can't be in a group message with myself. And that's the end of the short tutorial. We hope this helps you with using Zulip.